So now I'll be showing you how to consume the web service through an web application. So what do? You just exactly the same way you go for file, new, you go for a website and you go for a website because you're not creating the service is already created. So let's say website, web service consumption, web service. So I give this. So this asks me about this one. I say yes, save it. Now I have to remember that path again. That's very important. So again here, what you do is not right click, and you can see that it says add web reference, even add web service. So click the same way. You just click on this and you click that. Oh, sorry, the path was. I have to rerun this one. Do you remember the path? I think. Do you remember the path anyway? Okay. Okay, this is one problem. So first of all, we have to remember the path. So for that, again, I go for this. I have to run it because I didn't remember it. So that's okay. So I'll go for web service. I think this is the one. Yeah, this is the one. So I run it again. This is my service. So I run it again, and this is the path. So I'll copy this path, and this is the file that I've just now created. So I go for right, I go for this one, add web service, and this is where I paste that path. Just say go so that you should find this one. The same thing, give OK. Now you come back to your design page, and the way you design, you can use CSS and everything. So we come back to this design, and simply what we'll do is that again we'll create a button, very again simple interface, drag drop things. So there is a button. When you click, I just want to display the sum of the two numbers. So let's say I just say sum. Fine. So I double click on this. Then again same thing. With the same code I'll write dim ob as or directly equals to new. You have to see the service is service reference as new. You can see service reference dot soap client the same way, and then ob dot same thing, you say add, and let's say 45 comma 72. We add these two numbers. Again we need some variable dim res as integer. So I'll say res equals to, it will result in this one, then that text box that is there, text box dot text, sorry, text box dot text is equals to and that's it. So this is a web application which is consuming a web service. So I run this again. Obviously my server, it will ask you to run, so I give OK, and if I click on the sum, so it is going to find the sum of those two numbers and display it. So this is how a web service is consumed by a web application. Previously I showed you how to consume the web service by using a web Windows application, right? So this is how you can consume. Thank you.